Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through making potato and cheese pancakes. These are perfect for a quick, delicious meal that's easy to prepare, even for beginners. Let's start by preparing our vegetables. Peel and grate 3 potatoes. Make sure they're finely grated to cook evenly. Next, finely chop 1 onion and 1 pepper. These add flavor and a bit of crunch. Lastly, grate 100 grams of cheese. This will give the pancakes a deliciously cheesy taste. Don't forget to chop some spring onions for garnish later. Now, let's prepare the pancake batter. In a mixing bowl, crack 2 eggs and add a pinch of salt and 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Pour in 500 milliliters of milk, then whisk everything together until it's smooth. Gradually add 200 grams of flour, mixing continuously to avoid lumps. The batter should be smooth and slightly thick. Heat a pan with a little sunflower oil. Pour a small ladle of batter into the pan, spreading it out thinly to form a pancake. Cook each side until golden brown. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Once cooked, remove from the pan and set aside. Repeat with the remaining batter. While the pancakes cool, we'll prepare the filling. In a large bowl, mix the grated potatoes, chopped onions, pepper, cheese, salt, and black pepper to taste. This mixture will be the flavorful heart of our pancakes. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 eggs with 3 tablespoons of flour. This will be used to coat our filled pancakes before frying. Now, let's assemble our pancakes. Take a cooked pancake, add a spoonful of the potato filling in the center, and fold the pancake over the filling. Dip the filled pancake into the egg mixture, making sure it's fully coated, then roll it in breadcrumbs for a crispy exterior. Heat some butter in a pan and fry the pancakes until they're golden brown on all sides. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once all the pancakes are fried, place them on a serving plate. Garnish with chopped spring onions for a fresh touch, and they're ready to serve. These crispy, cheesy pancakes are sure to be a hit. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a try at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your results. See you in the next video for more easy and delicious recipes.